Welcome to our channel. If you want to check your flight status on the Delta app in a simple way, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Download and install the Delta app from your device's app store if you haven't already. Step 2. Launch the Delta app and sign in with your SkyMiles account or continue as a guest user. Step 3. Tap on Flight Status from the main menu options displayed on the home screen. Step 4. Enter your flight number or type in your departure and arrival cities to locate your flight. Step 5. Press Search to pull up the current status of your flight from Delta's system. Step 6. View the flight details including departure time, arrival time, gate assignments, and any delays or cancellations. Step 7. Tap on your flight for additional details such as aircraft type, seat map, and baggage claim information. Step 8. Enable push notifications in your app settings to get instant alerts about gate changes, delays, or boarding announcements. This keeps you informed and helps you plan your airport arrival time accordingly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.